Howdy, folks. This is Gradman Farms. Here is going to be one of our first tutorials in Farming Simulator 25. This is something I've come up with called Field Production Proof. We're going to prove exact liters from a field. These words in purple to our left are what I would like to refer to as a Q column. We have the silo amount before, the silo amount after, a single field audit, and a trailer match. In order to do this, you need to record your silo level before harvest. You need to harvest the field. I would say completely, yeah. I know that's what it says. So yeah, let's go with completely. We dump the trailer into the silo. And then we record the silo level after harvest. And that would, after the harvest of that particular field, not the complete harvest. So field production equals Y minus X. So you take the after amount, and then you subtract that from the before amount, and there you go. Trailer total liters should match this number. If it matches, field verified. After minus before equals the field liters. Now, I'm going to go into another Google Doc I made to try to simplify it as best as I can for y'all. So, I need to see if it's this one. Nope, it's not that one. Just bear with me here while we do this. I think it is probably the field yield proof. Yep, there it is. Okay, now we have field yield proof. So, here's what it is. Field yield. The purpose of this is to prove the field yield with loaded trailers. Okay, so you can see I have it actually written as the Q column in this document. Okay, so field name / farm name, whatever you decided you would do, or if it's just one field and you know the number, just write that field name's number, like field number 2 or whatever. Okay, and you need your field hectares. You also need the trailer load number and the load amount in liters. You need the total yield, and you need precision farming verification. That is only if you're using precision farming, which I always do. Because in my opinion, it makes the numbers a lot more exact. Okay, so here's our notes section now. We have the field name / farm name. Identify the farm or field. Field hectares. Okay, harvest process. We harvest normally. Every time crop enters the trailer, we record the liter amount for each load. And I put in here full or partial loads count. So that you can keep in mind. Okay, and the total yield. What we need to do is add all recorded trailer load amounts. So like trailer number 1, trailer number 2, however many trailer loads it takes to get that grain out of the field. And if we're using precision farming, we take the final field tons per hectare. We multiply the tons per hectare times the hectares. Use only to verify total tons. Do not average rates. Now, with the precision farming part, I hope I did not confuse y'all by saying that part in there. But if I did, let me know. And I will try to make another Google Doc about stuff like this with precision farming. Because I think I got it written down somewhere. And I just prefer to type out the notes I've made over time, so that way y'all can use them when you need to. And now we're gonna move on to another part here. If using scales, the trailer load weight before unloading, must have that. You weigh the trailer after unloading, subtract. Difference equals load weight. Then you take those kilograms, because the scales weigh in kilograms on Farming Simulator. You divide that by 1,000 so you can get your metric tons. So the summary. Each trailer load recorded and added. Sum equals verified field yield. Okay, that concludes this tutorial. I hope y'all learned something, and keep on farming and keep on trying to learn something from this game. I'll see y'all in the next one. And this is Gradman Farms. Bye, folks.